Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Power Up Careers. So I hope you are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to create a professional business email address using Cpanel, which is completely free. If you are going to take a hosting from the Cpanel based, you can create a business email address based on that and without paying to any other third-party services like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 subscription. By the end of this video, you will have your own email like whatever you want to keep at your business domain name. Let's start. Let's move to the Cpanel. So we are going to log into our Cpanel. That is, so how you can access it, you can write out your domain name, then /cpanel, then it will open like this way. So if you don't have detail of this, you can ask from your hosting provider. So you can log in it. Okay, oops, okay, maybe something wrong typed. We can try it once again. Okay, yes, once we log in, so you can see like we have an option email accounts. So if you are not getting on the top, you can scroll down the page, so you can find out there where is email account is mentioned there. Once you can see, just click on it, and here is a way you can click on the create. Now you have to choose your domain name. So if you have only a one domain, then it will show here. If you have multiple domains, then you have a drop down where you have to choose a particular domain name. Once you select the domain name, scroll down, enter the email address like I want to keep IT services at my business domain name, for example abc.com. so it will be a IT services at abc.com. then you can set the password here. So you can even use the generate option here. Once you click, you can see there is more other options available like optional setting, or if you are okay with this, you can click on the create button, or if you want to look out the optional setting, then click on the edit setting. Here you will get the additional features like you can mention the storage space. Either you want to keep unlimited, or either you want to keep a particular size. Suppose I want to keep 500 MB, so I have put 500. Then automatically create folders, yes. Then send a welcome email with instruction to set up a mail client. So basically this is Cpanel based email, and you also configure this email in your phone. So if you want to look out those instruction or by default instruction, you can just click on it. By default it's already clicked, so just keep it on clicked so that you can see the instructions easily. Once you done, just click on the create button. Okay, now you can see my email ID is there, IT services at bbc.com. so now you have the Cpanel, you already created a email address, right? What happens sometime, okay, we can see later on. First we will check how we can check this email address. So there is an option like check email, right? And another thing what you can do it, you have to just click over here. Okay, I just reset the password, go to the manage, then scroll down. I'm going to keep a very simple password, that is abc@. 1 2 3 4 5, and it's very simple. Okay, ABC at the rate 1 2 3 4 5 at hash. Okay, I have to keep this longer password. It's not okay, this is fine, right? So password is abc at 1 2 3 4 5 at $@, right? I hope I remember this password. Okay, I just take this screenshot. Okay, now scroll down. You can setting restriction receiving incoming mail, yes. Sending outgoing email, yes. Means allow. You can keep the suspend on hold as well. Logging in, allow. Plus addressing, everything will be same. Then update email settings. Now what you have to do it, if you want to check your email again, it's very simple. You have to put your domain name, and for the cpanel you have to put /cpanel, and for the webmail, because if you are generating an email based on the cpanel, so it basically a webmail, so you have to write out your domain name /webmail. Once you done, it will open your webmail. Now you can put IT services at your domain name. Okay, and password is abc at 1 2 3 4 5 at $@. Oops, something is going wrong. I don't know. It's iServices. Okay, it's iServices. Yep. Now you can see my email ID is logged in, and it shows first time, right? And what you have to do it, you have to just click on open my inbox when I log in. So basically, what is Roundcube? Roundcube is basically a by default webmail software. It will help you to show your emails, to manage your emails. Basically, it's interface. So you are using the Roundcube webmail interface. Yes. So here you can see the inbox, and this is a welcome email where I can see all the settings. Mail client manual settings, you can see. Then you have an option calendar and contact manual settings. So this is a way you can use it if you want to configure your email ID in your phone as well. So I believe this is very simple till now. Now what happened, guys? There is one tricky confusion maybe, or maybe you will face some issue. What happens sometime when you buy the hosting and you get the cpanel services, and you created email ID, but you see like you are receiving an email but you are not able to send an email. So what's the problem into it? So in that case, you have to check out your domain DNS and check out the records, it's there or not. If it's not there, then you have to add it. So I can like guide you. There is only 3 records where which you have to mention it. So I can just guide you what you have to do it. The first record is okay. For example, we can take a like example. I open the domain name. Okay, now you can see this is my domain. I'm going to click on the DNS. So for example, you are able to receive an email. Oh sorry, you are able to send an email, but you are not able to receive an email. So in that case, you have to check out the DNS record of that particular domain name, right? And if it's not there, you have to edit those records. So make sure before sharing your email ID after creating it, your email should work properly with the cpanel, right? So for this, what we are going to do it, we are going to create a new record, that is a record. You have to click on it, a record. Then under the name you have to write mail, then value. Now what value? So value is basically your IP address of your cPanel, and once you go back to your cPanel, and on the right hand side you can see shared hosting IP address. So this is your IP address, right? So just copy this IP address and put it the same value there, right? 172.104.111 and 111. I'm just putting a dummy value, right? So you have to just copy your shared IP address and put it here and then save it. I have already added these records earlier, so I'm just telling you how you can do it. So I'm not going to save it. So this is the first one is a record, you have to set it. Then next one is what you have to add it, add a new record. Now this is your MX basically mail exchange. You have to set the MX record now. So MX record name is @, under the name you have to create the @. So basically it represents your domain name, right? Then priority, you have to set of priority, you can keep 20, and then value is mail dot your domain name abc.com, right? This is your another record, that is the MX record. Now we have to add one more record, that is the MX record again. So choose the MX. Now under the name you have to add IP address, the same one which we have our hosting IP address, that is 172.204.111.111. it's a dummy record. Alright guys, priority again you have to set 20, then value again is mail dot your domain name, that is in my case it is abc.com, and then save it. So this is very simple. You have to set a record for the mail function and 2 MX record for the mail function. So there are total 3 record under the DNS you have to set out to receive and send an email via cPanel. So this is very simple guys. Like these things, like these records are not necessary when you buy a hosting but to make sure you have to just look out these records are there or not, right? So it's just safety purpose we have to check out. But most of the cases, once you buy the hosting or once you buy the cPanel hosting from the hosting provider, you will get these record in your DNS, right? So don't worry about that, but just make sure if you're not getting an email, so just check out this record. I am going to share this record under the description also, so if you want to look out, you can easily look out. So I hope guys this video will help you to set up your business email address using cPanel without buying any other third-party services, or that's fine. So let me know guys, like this video will help you or not, or I also request you, if you can help me, you can subscribe my channel and help me. And I believe in my future videos or my past videos will help you a lot if you really want to keep the security work. Till now I have already put so many videos, not so many, like 4 to 5 videos related on the Cloudflare, so just look out that. Okay guys, thank you once again.